Have you ever wondered if the work you're doing really matters? I used to feel that way until one experience changed how I saw my purpose forever. Today, I'm sharing how helping just one person can create a ripple effect far greater than you ever imagined. A few years ago, I helped a first-time entrepreneur land venture capital funding for their startup. It wasn't just about the money. It was about helping them believe in their vision and take the first step toward building something bigger than themselves. That moment shifted everything for me. I realized that purpose isn't something you find. It's something you create step by step by impacting others. In this video, I will share how you can build a life of purpose by starting small but thinking big. Purpose isn't some grand, unreachable goal. It's not about changing the entire world overnight. It's about using your unique skills and gifts and experience to make a difference, however small, and letting those actions build into something bigger over time. When I helped that entrepreneur secure funding, I saw how one small step could spark a chain reaction. That funding led to jobs. Those jobs supported families. And that entrepreneur, they gained the confidence to dream even bigger. We all have power to create ripples like this. Sometimes it's as simple as mentoring someone, sharing knowledge, or encouraging someone who's just starting out. You can start your own ripples by identifying your unique gifts. What are you good at? What experiences have shaped you? Your purpose often hides in plain sight and things you take for granted. Start small, but start now. You don't need to change everything at once. Start with one person, one project, one act of service. That's all it takes to start creating ripples. Reflect and realign often. Your purpose isn't static. It evolves as you do. Take time to reflect on the impact you're making and adjust your choices or decisions as needed. Reflect on those areas of life you're most unhappy. You can bet a core need isn't being met in that area. The truth is you don't need to have it all figured out. To start living on purpose, all you need is a willingness to take one small step toward helping someone else. Those ripples will grow, and before you know it, you will have created impact of a wave that touches countless lives. Who is one person that you can help today? Leave a comment and let me know. And if you're looking for more inspiration or support to make these changes, hit subscribe and join me on this journey.